Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to make a viral news channel, YouTube thumbnail for free. Thumbnails are one of the most important elements for catching a viewer's attention, especially for news content. I'll first show you how to create thumbnails using free tools like Canva or Adobe Express, and then I'll introduce you to an AI tool called Pixels that can help you create even better thumbnails much faster. Let's start with the free tools. Canva is a free tool with lots of templates. After signing up for a free account, you can select a YouTube thumbnail template. To create a news thumbnail, choose bold fonts, vibrant colors, and high-quality images. For example, you could add a headline like "Breaking News" in bold red letters, include a background image of a newsworthy event, and adjust elements like transparency to make it look professional. Similarly, Adobe Express offers free tools to create thumbnails. You can use its library of stock images and customize them with overlays and fonts that suit your news channel's style. While Canva and Adobe Express are effective, creating thumbnails using these tools can be time-consuming. You need to manually search for images, adjust elements, and ensure everything looks balanced. This can be a problem, especially when you need to produce thumbnails quickly for breaking news stories. That's where Pixels comes in. Pixels is an AI tool that automates thumbnail creation. It's designed to save you time while producing high-quality thumbnails that grab attention. To start using Pixels, click the link in the description to sign up for free. Once you've signed up, you'll need to join their Discord server, where you can interact with the AI tool. After joining the Discord server, look for the Pixels bot. To create a thumbnail, and type a detailed prompt describing the thumbnail you want. For example, you could write, "Create a news channel thumbnail with a bold headline, breaking news banner at the top, and an image of a politician speaking at a press conference. Use red and white colors with a clean, professional layout." The AI will generate a thumbnail based on your description. If the result isn't perfect, you can refine it. For instance, if you want the image to focus more on a specific detail, you can ask the AI to adjust it. Type something like, "Zoom in on the politician's face and make the headline larger," and the AI will quickly make the changes. Pixels also allows you to recreate popular thumbnail styles. You can provide a link to a thumbnail you like, and the AI will generate a similar version tailored to your content. To demonstrate the quality of Pixels, here are a few examples of thumbnails it has generated. Notice the clean designs, vibrant colors, and eye-catching elements that are perfect for a news channel. These examples show how powerful Pixels is for creating thumbnails that stand out. If you're interested in trying Pixels, use the link in the description to sign up and start creating thumbnails for free. With Pixels, you can save time and focus on what matters most, producing great news content. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to check the description for the link to Pixels and start creating amazing thumbnails for your news channel.